some of the biggest hits, but can Talia and I identify some of the music's biggest collaborations? We'll get a few clues from our producer, and the first one to ring correctly will gain 2 points. If we are also able to guess the song or album the artist collaborated on, we'll gain an extra 2 points.
Boy, school challenge
Let the games begin.
All right, first up.
You know me last
The son
okay,
of the king of reggae
already.
teamed up with one of the most influential rappers to give us an entire album. Debbie says she can't see now.
You can't see what?
Damian Jr. Gang Marley and Nas.
Jesus,
Yes.
Nas, not Nas. Nas. Jesus, Distant Relatives. Big album.
Debbie, no ring the bell all now, you know.
Yeah, because I can't see nothing.
Okay, in
Anyways.
2003, she
Yes.
gained her first hit as a solo artist. And for him, it was one of 3 #1 songs for that year. A fusion of R&B and dancehall on the popular track.
Is it Sean Paul and
Beyonce.
was it,
Baby
is it
Boy.
Beyonce? Yeah? Okay.
Baby boy, stay on my
cool.
mind. All right.
But that's not Beyonce and Sean Paul together.
No, but we'd have a Photoshop or read. Okay. In 2013,
Can't see one
a
thing on the
French
screen. Why is it so far?
electro duo, a hip-hop and R&B producer, and a legendary guitarist fused the talents to make one of the biggest hits of 2013. Oh, okay, yeah, but we still kind of get points.
Tell you have to help me, because
I have to read, because if I don't read it, David, I get none. I wonder if we just not to read and just...
I can't see nothing. Hold on. Right.
That would be selfish of me.
No, serious to God. Like,
Okay, so in 2013.
Right, in 2013, a French electro duo, a hip-hop and R&B producer, and a legendary guitarist. Go on, tell.
Was it? No, jeez, I feel like this wrong, but was it Maria? She remind me of the West Side Story.
Is
Oh, no, that?
one?
Okay,
Wow,
all right.
Okay, that's what came to mind too.
No, you have a guess, Debbie?
No, that's what came
All
to
right,
mind
what
too.
was it, that one? Okay.
Pharrell?
Oh, that Get Lucky. Okay, I never know that.
Oh, yeah.
Lucky. Oh, no, I know.
No,
I know,
that's
but
not
not because
the song.
I'm lucky, Clive.
It's because I'm happy.
I'm
The song is
happy?
because I'm happy.
All right, what
Right.
else we
Wow,
got?
Clive. Okay, cool.
Okay,
That me
America's
can read. Hold on.
most beloved songbird and R&B's most successful boy band recorded a song that spent 16 weeks at the top of the Billboard Hot 100 in the United States. And their song was the longest running #1 song in the charts history at the time, a record for 23 years.
Mariah Carey, Boyz II Men. I think so. Yeah.
One Sweet Day. All
One
right,
Sweet Day.
Debs.
Yeah.
All right, next up. In 1986, an American rap group that was running the place released a cover of a well-known rock hit featuring the original talents of the song. 1986.
1986? I wasn't born. It's a joke. No, I wasn't born.
American rap group
I wasn't
running
born.
the place. Was it like, I don't know. Was it like, I don't know. When I hear Run-DMC. Was it like Run-DMC? All right. Because I hear Run in the place. Okay, all right. Next up.
Cool.
4 women, 3 singers, and a rapper combined musical forces to record a #1 single that was the lead single for a movie track. 4 women, 3 singers, and a rapper.
Turner. Pass.
All right, let me guess. I'll go and guess. Let me guess. 4 women, 3 singers,
Oh, God.
and a rapper.
4 women, as in the group is...
I go and guess Destiny's Child.
No.
If it's not Destiny.
4 women, 3, it would be... TLC.
No. Oh, Christina Aguilera. Lady Marmalade.
Getcha, yeah.
Lady Marmalade. Christina Aguilera, Maya Pink, and Lil Kim. Awesome. All right, we have any more? Okay, you got more. It's a put me to the test. You could call it an ode to the city of their birth, a rapper and R&B singer paired up
Alicia
to
Keys,
deliver
Jay-Z, New
a
York.
classic- Okay, yeah, you got that
New
one fast.
York.
Boy, Debbie can't see what she had guessed though.
Once you start put certain things together, it becomes
Wait,
clear.
I wonder if I stop reading, she gonna stop
No,
guessing.
no, go and read, Tom. I can't do this without you.
You know, say I should get a
Read, Tom,
point.
read,
I should get a point for everything, you know, because Debbie can't
I
see.
can't see one thing on the screen.
Debbie can't see.
I need help.
All right.
Oh, God.
Both musical royalty, one the lead singers of the best-selling groups of all time, the other a pioneer of R&B, a child prodigy, who was the youngest artist ever to top the chart, collaborated on a chart topper in 1982. Michael Jackson. It have to be Jackson 5, Michael Jackson. Something to do with Michael Jackson and Jackson 5.
Maybe.
Oh,
Wow.
who couldn't guess this one?
Wrong Smile. Producer, this is for Weekday Smile. It's not Weekend Smile.
All right,
Go on,
next
one.
up. She was the lead singer of one of Motown's most successful female groups. She was a singer of the major soul bands of the 70s. Together, they created a classic love song that has transcended generations. Diana Ross?
Dolly Parton.
Diana
Okay,
Ross! Hey!
Hey, Lionel Richie and that Endless Love.
We're not going bad.
They're not going bad. They're going good.
All right.
And they sang a big tune for real.
Yeah,
And
Diana Ross. All right, Christina. Next one.
To share.
If you
Big
don't
tune.
hear, you can guess, you know.
All right, ready. It's true. One, huh?
All right. So a diamond-selling artist paired with a British pop star who was once the lead singer of a rock band.
A diamond-selling artist.
Yeah, paired with a British pop star
Pop star.
who was once the lead singer of a band. It's not Ed. It's not. Where the guy name again?
A diamond.
I just thinking UK. I'm thinking British pop star, and I would think like
It's not Elton John.
Smith. No, it's not Elton.
It's not Ed Sheeran.
Right, and it's not Sam, because Sam never
Not
sing
Sam.
no.
Pop band. Is Shaggy and something there?
Shaggy and Sting.
And Sting, yeah.
That was a good guess, Debbie. That was a good guess. Yeah, you guessed that one. They're good. All right.
Why
What else, sir?
I can't even give me little props for work it out. She said, may I guess?
No, I good. No, yeah, I good.
Alright, God not sleep. It's all right.
Look here.
God is watching. Move on.
If it doesn't thank God, me I read it out.
God sent it for read it out, for real.
Oh, God. All right.
Anyways,
We have
any more? That's it?
No, we're done.
Oh, that's
We're done.
it. All right.
Okay,
Well, hey,
guys. I don't know who win this one,
I'm
but
like this Talia win it. I don't know. Like,
I think I get a point for reading. Everyone.
She gets an extra point for reading. I'll give her my points for reading too because I could not see a
Oh,
thing a while
gosh.
ago. Anyways, guys, have a wonderful weekend. Remember that you need to stay safe.
Yep.
Stay safe. Coronavirus
Sanitize
still happening.
same way.
Yeah, and join Fame Frequency. It's the 2-year anniversary this evening.
Already.
All
It's
lights,
amazing.
glitz and glam, okay? Yeah.
Yes, guys, tune in early. And we're going an extra hour. We're going until 1 a.m. So make sure you tune in and enjoy yourself. Have a fantastic time, guys. Live it up. Stay safe on the roads because we know that the place open up on the outside.
Facts.
But please stay safe. Drink responsibly if you're drinking, and of course,
stir fry.
Stir fry and
Yeah.
and
Big up
we'll go
Shantia and
Big
Alpha.
Bang. Yeah,
Yeah.
we'll go